shop mode with all the tools that you could possibly want to build just about anything you want. Even a place for all the hand tools, screws, nuts and bolts, and everything else you could possibly want, because when it breaks, it usually breaks on a Sunday afternoon when everything is closed. There's also lots of place to work and lots of counter space to actually plan things out and cut them, sand them, fashion them, drill them, do whatever you need to do, and additional storage as well in the floor. Plus, this plastic room actually pulls out, and you will see when it's in meditation mode that will occur. Then you will see after meditation mode, sports mode, because it turns from a shop to a meditation area to a gym. And one more secret thing.
The solar trailer is finished now. And when you pull out this plastic room, there are solar panels on the roof here that give me another 800 watts of power. But unfortunately, when I'm parked in a forest, it really doesn't do very much except protect it from the elements. And also, when it lights up at night, or when the lights are on, it lights up this, it turns into a cube, a lit cube, which looks very nice at night. This is just another view of the same thing. You can see the light up there that runs along the ceiling. I have minuscule furniture in there. It's very comfortable, very nice. I'll have to put a couch in there. And this is what it looks like from the front. This material that's at the back, this material is actually covering all the tools and everything that are packed in behind it. So there's another 1.5 meters of space behind that. It looks kind of nice. This is a patch of green grass, but it's fake grass. But it's nice to sit on when you're sitting outside.
That alligator is fake. Alright. I think that's pretty cool. And that ramp, that deck is also a ramp. So when the plastic room slides back into the motorhome, then the ramp can be lifted, and then the supporting legs folded up, and then it acts as a ramp. So the bicycle, the solar bicycle, the scooter, and everything can roll into the back or be pulled in with a winch, which is located at the front. The winch also pulls the room out and pushes it back in again. There's also lots of storage in here. When I travel, everything fits in here. My solar bicycle, my all these tools actually fit under the floor. And this is one of the beautiful things about this, is that I'm probably the only trailer attached to a motorhome for sure that has a wine cellar. In fact, my friend Champagne is in this section here, under the floor, and everything that's heavy is underneath the floor to keep the weight of the trailer as low as possible to the ground, so it's more stable that way, and behind your vehicle. So that's another cool thing that I have here. And then I have all my paper towels, all those things that take up a lot of space. They're all underneath the floor, so that you know, they don't take up any space up here. So it's really very kind of cool. And then of course you can take everything out of it, and it becomes a little disco. That was the fourth or fifth thing, because I haven't had a disco in there yet. But the little patio, green patio out there, you know, you can sit out there and watch all the people walk by while people are dancing in the back, or that can be used as a dance floor and people can be sitting in the back drinking booze or whatever it is. So anyway, that's the versatility of my trailer compared to everybody else's. So now the challenge is, make yours better than mine. This is Les the Handyman, over and out. This trailer is perhaps even more cool than you even realized, because under the floor are also 2 sets of batteries. And there's all kinds of solar panels. In fact, the whole roof is solar panels, plus the pull-out room adds another 800 watts. It's almost, there's 560 plus the 800 watts. when it's a nice sunny day, I actually charge all the batteries. The first set of batteries is for the mover and all of the lights, the electronics, the inverter, everything that runs the electric stairs. There's all kinds of really cool stuff that is in this trailer. And also it has the other set of batteries which actually charges the motorhome. I can actually plug my motorhome into this thing, and it will give me enough juice to charge my batteries on my motorhome, which is back here. On the right. So it's very, very cool that it also does that as well. I'm sure that there is no other trailer around with as many solar panels and batteries in it that actually charge the motorhome, but maybe there is. Maybe there is such a thing. Anyway, the challenge is make a better one. Okay, thanks a lot, and bye for now. I don't know how many features that is. I didn't count them all, but I'll have to make another video and figure it out. I think that's 8 things this trailer does compared to everybody else's trailer, which doesn't do much at all. Correct? Oh, by the way, one more thing. I can also add battery power to my house. I can also connect this trailer to my house, and if my batteries are low in my house, it will actually charge it, including my motorhome will also charge it, and I can also borrow power from my motorhome to this thing too. Cool, eh? Bye for now.